Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link eBay to Payoneer account. Selling on eBay and want your payments to go directly to Payoneer instead of a traditional bank account. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to connect your Payoneer account to eBay step by step. Fast, easy and secure. So let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to make sure you have a Payoneer account. If you don't already have one, just go to Payoneer.com and sign up and complete identity verification and make sure your account is fully activated. And to do that, just go to Payoneer.com. Let's click on the English version here and click on register. It keeps automatically changing the language. Now you're gonna choose the option that describes you better. For example, I'm just gonna choose here and choose what are you looking forward to, whether it's advanced payment, card request, etc. These options. You can choose the account type. Just gonna choose a random one. Let's look here. Yeah, and you have to check if Payoneer is available in your region. If it's available in your region, you just proceed with the prompts. Now the second step is to log into your eBay seller account, and to do that, just go to ebay.com. Once you create an account in Payoneer, go to your eBay account and click on My eBay and go click on the selling option right here. Now from the Sellers Hub, click on Payments. Click on here. Now after you click on Payment, set up and edit your payout method. Now under payout settings, let's go all the way to payout settings. Let's look here, let's go back to the sell option. Let's go to payment, click on payouts. Now here click on edit. Once you start listing an item, you're gonna be directed to the payout settings. After that, click on edit and choose add bank account, and in the bank details, select receiving account from Payoneer. Now for the fourth step is to get your Payoneer receiving details. And to do that, just go back and log into your Payoneer account. Here, gonna select here. After that, go to receive and then choose global payment services and copy the US bank account details like routing number or account number. And for the fifth and final step, pass it into eBay. Go back to eBay and pass your Payoneer's bank info and confirm and verify with any codes eBay sends. And you're all set. Your eBay payments will now go to your Payoneer's account. Make sure the username match on both eBay and Payoneer for verification, and you can track payouts directly from the eBay dashboard or Payoneer's app. And if there's a delay, contact Payoneer's support for payout and updates. And make sure Payoneer is available in your region and country before you try to create an account. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.